Can you all believe it's been 5 months since I've done a makeup video? Because I cannot. That is crazy. But I'm excited to hop right back into things and share some makeup with you guys in today's video. It just has been so long. There's a ton of products that I've loved using and have wanted to share with you guys, like actually show you how I apply them, how they look. I feel like I've talked a lot about makeup in the last couple of months. I've done hauls, but anyways, we haven't actually done a makeup video. So let's get into it. Let's get started. I am like not feeling cute today at all. I'm in need of, this went in so weird. I am in desperate need of some love on my face. I don't know why I can't get this clip where I want it. I was saying I have been feeling like I'm definitely using my summer glow, but then I turned the camera on for today and I was like, wow, okay, yep, she's pale. So that's fun, but we will bronze me right back up. So the first product that I'm using is the Lumi Glotion, which this stuff is one of my new favorite products, probably of the year. It's so nice. I love wearing this by itself or under makeup as like a primer. It especially looks good in the summer, like over an already building tan. I have like no face tanner on right now, but I am in the shade medium. It's 903 and it's gorge. Plus it's drugstore. So for foundation, this is my latest obsession, the Makeup Forever HD Skin. I have two shades. I have 2 in 26 and I have 2 in 22. Lately I've been using 2 in 22 just because I feel like with not being quite as tan, it's matching slightly better. But all throughout the summer I used 2 in 26. The coverage on this is beautiful. The formula I think is really nice. It just looks like skin. It gives good coverage, but it's super lightweight. And this has been one of my latest favorite foundations. And then I'm almost out of this, but the concealer I've been loving lately is from Kosas. Their revealer concealer is just so nice. I have another one, so I don't know why I won't just go and open up the new one, but I don't want to waste any product. I know there's still some in there. And the shade that I use in this is 3W, which this shade is so perfect. Layers so well under powder. I feel like it looks like your skin still. It still has life to it. And then of course it has the most perfect amount of coverage. It's not cakey, it's not too heavy. It's just so light, but super powerful. I'm trying to think if I've shared this with you guys, but I feel like there's no way that I haven't shared this yet. It's the DIBS Desert Island Duo. I think this is shade 2, but this is one of my, this is shade 2. One of my favorite products of the year. It's so nice. And I grab for this all the time. It's double-ended, so you have a bronzer on one side and a blush on the other. And I love this shade of bronzer. It glides right on. Super buildable too, or you can go more natural. And it blends out really beautifully as well. And I've been putting all of my product in these areas that you can see. I feel like the newer thing that I've been doing really is on my eyes here, but I feel like it makes such a difference. And I really like the placement of it. We'll just blend this out. I feel like this brush has not changed. I still love this brush the most for blending out cream contour. It's the foundation brush from Frankie Rose, and I still very much love it. Haven't found anything else that gives me the same result. For blush, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury, I don't even know what this is called, Beauty Light Wand. I love this stuff. And this is in Pinkgasm. It's so gorge. I will share the blush combo that I've been loving lately, if I can get this open. But it's really just like bright and pinky toned, which I'm always into, and I just like this combo a lot. I was really conflicted when I went to go film this video if I was going to do or label this my everyday makeup video or just like makeup that I love, but I feel like this is makeup that I love because I do tend to switch it up. This is just like what I've been using here lately. Also too, I definitely want to hear from you guys. My goal moving forward, starting in December, or I guess this week, is to start getting 2 YouTube videos out a week. And with that, I hope to do a lot more beauty content and things. So let me know what you all want to see, and if for my beauty videos, like, do you want tutorials where I'm talking through steps, or do you want more like just everyday in the life, like chit-chatty, like I'm doing my makeup sort of videos? I don't know what you want. Or do you want a mix of both? I love to hear from you all, and I want to know. Okay, so I have a little, it's not a dilemma, but I guess it kind of is with setting powder. So I've been switching it up here lately. The Laura Mercier translucent powder is my tried and true. It is my one true love. I love that setting powder, but I am running out. I only have a little bit left. So what I've been doing, because I've been so lazy to go to Ulta to get more and I haven't placed another order, is I've been using the Sigma Beauty setting powder, and this is in the shade Vanilla Bean. This is their soft focus setting powder. I love this for under the eyes, so I shouldn't really say the setting powder thing is a dilemma, because I think this powder is so beautiful. It just isn't necessarily translucent and does have like a little bit of color to it, so I don't like to use this all over my face. And then for the rest of my face, which I'll show you, I've been using, it's still the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but this is the one that is talc free. And I don't always love that one under my eyes. So I have been using these 2 in different areas. But do you all see that? I just feel like it does really just like soften everything. It looks so good. Love, love, love. And there should be no surprise, this absolutely has not changed, but the way that I apply my setting powder is with a damp makeup sponge. And this one is from Real Techniques, so that's what I am still very much doing. And now I'm just taking the Laura Mercier powder and pressing that in. And this is the talc-free one. I do feel like it's a lot more fine, maybe? Finely milled. I don't know what the word is, but I feel like it does go everywhere compared to the normal one, but it does work very nicely. So, and obviously it's talc free, which is supposed to be better for you. Okay, we are set everywhere except for under here, which I'll do after I do my bronzer. And my bronzer is gonna be the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer in Islanding. I love it. I think the color is so pretty, the shade is perfect, it has great warmth. It's another, it's been so long I can't remember if I've shared this one with you guys, but I first picked this up in January and I love it. Love sitting on my floor to do makeup, but I didn't really think about the mirror situation, because usually if I'm sitting on my floor, I am filming on my phone, so I'm just like looking right into the screen, whereas with my camera, my little display and viewfinder is up higher. So if I look at that, then I feel like it looks like I'm not looking at you all. The only downside, I just feel so much more comfy and casual down here. I don't know what it is. Okay, and then my extra little bronzer step that I always do is I take the e.l.f. bronzer and Perpetually Tan, and I just tap a little across what I've already done. Don't ask me why. I love layering products. I love this bronzer. I love the warmth that it has. This one is a little bit warmer, so it's not necessarily one that I want to like always use all over my face, but just a little dusting on top is perfect. I just got this blush in recently. It's from Makeup Forever, and it is so pretty. The problem is I didn't realize it didn't come in any compact or packaging, so it's just a pan, which is great, but I don't know like how to keep it, so I've been keeping it in the plastic little container that it comes in, but I don't even know what shade this is. This is, I'll look for the name, but it just says B302 on it. So I don't know what it's officially called, but it's the most gorgeous, kind of like pearlized. It has a little gold shimmer in it, but it's just the prettiest shade. It gives so much life to the skin. It just fell over. Cool. Yeah, I definitely need to figure out like how to store this because I don't have anything that I could put that in. Kind of reminds me of like a slightly lighter version of the NARS. Like this pink is 1 to 2 shades lighter than the NARS pink, but I think it is so perfect. And you see how like kind of pearlized it is? I don't even feel like you need highlight with this. So beautiful. We can move on to brows. I've been using this Kosas brow pencil. This brow, I don't know what's happening with her. I need to get back on my Grande Brow serum. I feel like she's missing a little patch right here. I don't know what happened. I feel like you all know this, but doing my brows on camera is actually my least favorite thing to do. I don't know why. I feel like it's so boring. And I just don't like doing it because I need my mirror up close and personal so I can see. So now we're gonna do a little brow gel. I've been using the same one that I've been using for, I feel like years at this point, but it's the 24-hour brow gel from Benefit. Also, I realized as I was doing my brows how freaking crooked my hair clips had been this entire time. So I attempted to fix them, but who knows at this point. I just love this brow gel. I think it is so nice. I love the brush on it and how it just combs them so good. Brows are complete. Now we can move on to eyes, and I haven't had this for very long at all, but I love this Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette, so that is what I'm going to use today. I've been using this nonstop since I got it in. You can do like really pretty simple looks with this. So I'm just gonna use this color down here to start. And this brush is a Sigma E40 brush. And at the end of my eye, just still kind of brush out to like blend it outwards and lift a little. And then I'm just gonna take this cream shade here. And I love these shades, or this formula really, because you can apply them with a brush or your finger, and either way it applies so beautifully, which I can't remember if I mentioned in the Sephora haul video that I did, or Sephora like sale video, the last Sephora video that I did, but I feel like that is rare with a lot of shadows. I'm just taking that first brush and blending with no extra product. I just want to make sure it's nice and blended. And then I'm gonna take this brown shade here and do a little shadowing. So overall, this is a pretty simple look, but it's still really pretty, and it looks like your makeup is still $1 million and it's super wearable. All of my favorite things. And then I'm just taking a little tapered brush. This is the E45 from Sigma, and I'm just taking that first brown shade that we used and just like lightly dusting that underneath here. And I'm gonna do an inner corner like shimmer, but I'm gonna do my mascara first. If you've kept up with my reels or my TikToks, then this mascara is not gonna come as a surprise. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's the Man Eater by Tarte, and that is what I'm gonna use today. It just always does the best job. And I always love how my lashes look after I use it. With this mascara, this is one where I can really make my bottom lashes especially like look super fa-fa-boom and long, but sometimes I like to do more of a soft look So I just lightly coated them. I don't want them to be super long or like stand out right now for this look. I just want them to be soft and have a little something on it. So that is what I am doing. Honestly, I feel like the eyes are beautiful as is. So if you're not into an inner corner shimmer, you don't even have to add one, but I'll show you what it looks like because I have been loving it and this shade is so pretty. I've been using this champagne color shade and it's just absolutely stunning, and it is so pigmented and bright. You can really build it up too, which is what I like. So if you want just something a little soft and pretty, you can do that. But if you want it to like really be bedazzled out on the eyes, you can do that too. Now I use a pencil brush for this. I think, again, you could use your fingers, but my nails are so long, even if I wanted to, I don't think I could get in there. Literally, it's so pretty. I love it. And I think, lastly, all we have is lips left. So I'm gonna use this. This is what I've been grabbing for all week. It's Peekaboo Neutral from NYX. I said all week, and I should say all month, really. I need to sharpen it. I've been using this one a lot. This is new. I just got this in recently. This is from Jouer. It's their Plump and Tint. It's their Plump and Tint Glossy Lip in the shade Meg. I have been loving the shade and it's so pretty. I've only been using it for like a week, but I've been obsessed. And I love the formula. It is so comfy, but this shade is very me. It's like a peachy pink. It is so perfect. I love it. I love it so much. And while I love highlight and frequently use it, I'm gonna skip it today because I feel like the blush gave me the perfect amount of shimmer. I don't feel like I need any more. I like the glow level that I am at. All right, you guys, so here is the finished look. I'm very happy with it. I think it's so glowy and pretty and just super wearable every day. This more or less is like what I've been doing for my day-to-day makeup. Just changing out the products here and there, but this is what I've been gravitating towards and loving recently. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing everything. Let me know what you want to see next. Like I mentioned, let me know if you want to see more tutorial based videos or just chit chatty, get ready with me type videos when it comes to beauty and makeup. I feel like I have so many products that I love that I haven't shared on here, and then there's just so much that I haven't even tried too. So I love hearing from you guys. Let me know what you want to see. I'm excited to bring more content to you as well. But thank you so much as always for tuning back in and watching. It means so much. Love you guys, and until next time. I'm already on my way on now. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.